All right, we're in the 2002 Kit Companion. It is just really nice. They kept this up really well. Nice big windows, lots of storage. I'll tell you, they just don't build campers like this anymore. I mean, just the quality of the build. They weren't in a hurry. They put quality stuff in here. You can see how nice the furniture is. Swivel rocker recliners, nice big windows. Fridge, microwave, oven. Look at that nice peninsula. You got storage all over the place. Storage above there. It is as clean as it looks. I'm going to swing up into the bedroom. This is a sliding door that separates it. So the bathroom's right up in here. Medicine cabinet. You got storage right here. Drawers, a little desk. All this closet space in the back. So you hit this little guy. Look at that. Hanging storage all the way down. Shelf on top. Brand new mattress. It's a queen size mattress, like a residential queen, so 60 by 80. Tub shower, another medicine cabinet. Swinging back down into the living room. Let's go check out the outside. There are all your switches. Everything's good to go. Coming out to the outside, you see you got a nice big awning there. Lots of storage. Let's take a look in the storage area. Look at that. Nice big storage area, opens on both sides. Propane tanks are in this one. Batteries are in that one. Another storage spot right in the front. Yes, they're electric landing gears, what they call it. So decals, yeah, it's an O2, so they're a little chewed, but you know, everything works. The inside is really good. It's got the bigger water heater, power connection, outside shower. You got a light in the back here. Another storage spot back here. I'll say for the price, this is a really nice camper. It's got a ladder that goes to the roof. And there you have it. 2002 Kit Companion, 3 slides. Come check it out. Thank you.